Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are my fresh garlic chives. Aren't they beautiful? Would you like to have that in your meal? Yeah, so it grows my food for me. Again, all I do is put my seeds and my plants in here, and it's still winter. And I've got harvesting food, dude. I'm having a wonderful time. You're looking at our self-growing planters. Garlic chives have been growing this planter for about 3 years now. And all it does is come back, and it comes back, and it grows, and all we do is walk up and we cut it down. We harvest it. See, these self-growing planters, all you do is put your seeds or your plants in, and it grows your food for you with no human intervention. You don't have to do any work anymore. You just enjoy the fruits of your labor, and that's what I'm doing. I normally get about sometimes between 3 pounds from this one planter throughout the year. So 3 pounds of fresh garlic chives. And they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. Healthy, beautiful plants, absolutely beautiful. All I did was put my seeds in this planter. It's called a torpedo pot. And it grows my food for me. I don't have to grow my food anymore, and it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so fleshly, so beautiful. Man, I can have something fresh every day, anytime I wanted to, man. So this will grow right back. And I just wanted to let you guys know that your nutrition is right at your doorstep. All you have to do is reach out and grow and get exactly whatever you want in life. There's nobody stopping you from growing your food or developing your food supply. It's all right before you. It's called a torpedo pot. It's the fastest growing system in the world. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that flower pot, and it takes up and grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again in your life, and you'll always have successful food.